Packing for a business trip. Make a packing list. Business attire is a must. Don't forget your dress shoes. Pack formal suits and blouses. Bring enough underwear. Roll your clothes to save space. Pack wrinkle-free clothing. A tie or two for meetings. Dress socks are essential. Don't forget your belt. Business casual options. Check the weather forecast. A versatile blazer. Laptop and charger. Business cards in a holder. Travel-sized toiletries. A toothbrush and toothpaste. Razor and shaving cream. Comb or brush. Hair styling products. Deodorant is a must. Makeup for women. Travel-size perfume/cologne. A phone charger. Laptop bag or briefcase. Power bank for devices. Travel itinerary and documents. Passport and ID. Travel wallet for expenses. Currency and cash. Credit cards for expenses. Travel insurance info. Hotel reservation details. Directions to the airport. Earplugs for a quiet night. Sleep mask for better rest. Prescription medications. Over-the-counter meds. First aid kit essentials. Allergy medication. Travel pillow for comfort. Noise-cancelling headphones. Portable laundry bag. Collapsible water bottle. Snacks for the journey. Reading materials. Charging cables for devices. International adapter. Portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Travel-sized laundry detergent. Reusable shopping bag. Luggage locks for security. Packing cubes for organization. Extra hangers if needed. Compact umbrella. Travel-sized sewing kit. Stain remover pen. Notepad and pen. Backup copies of important documents. Emergency contact list. Maps or GPS device. Entertainment for downtime. Backup phone battery. Hand sanitizer. Face masks for travel. Sunglasses for sun protection. Extra contact lenses or glasses. Multivitamins for energy. Laundry stain remover. Travel-size lint roller. Shoe cleaning supplies. Wrinkle release spray. Spare shoelaces. Plastic bags for wet items. Extra memory cards. Travel-sized laundry bag. Backup phone charger. Backup phone charger. Travel-sized detergent sheets. Portable steamer. Portable coffee maker. Collapsible travel cup. Mini sewing machine. Spare batteries. Spare batteries. Travel-size deodorant wipes. Snack bars for quick energy. Travel-size mouthwash. Jewelry travel case. Travel-sized hair dryer. Necktie organizer. Necktie organizer. Portable fan for comfort. Compact exercise gear. Travel-sized sunscreen. Spare car keys. Travel-sized hand lotion. Travel-size makeup remover. Travel-size makeup remover. Wrinkle-resistant dress shirts. Travel-sized hairbrush. travel size shaving kit, fold